How would you like to learn how to make this gorgeous scrappy star? I'm calling it the 5-star table runner pattern. So, all right, this is so quick and easy to make. All you need is scraps. So let me give you the quick backstory of how I came up with this. I had made too many half square triangles for a previous project, probably from a couple years ago, and I was cleaning out a bin in my sewing room and I found these half square triangles, these squares, and these squares just kind of all bundled together. And I thought, I wonder if I can. Yes, I can. I made this star block. It's so easy. Now, this is not a new star block. It's been around for years, but I thought, wow, this is so pretty. So here's how you make it. All you need is your background square, and then you need a square to complement or go along with your two half square triangles. Easy peasy. Remember, it's scrappy, so use as many fabric colors that you'd like. The only thing I did was I was consistent with the background, and that was because it's what I already had it started with. So what we're going to do first is we're going to need to make our half square triangle. Now, I already have mine right sides together. I have my diagonal line drawn. We're going to sew 1/4 inch on either side and then cut away on the drawn line, press and trim all to the same size. So whatever size these units are, that's what your half square triangle units need to be. How easy is that? All right, so let's take a look at it again. How quick and easy is this? So you're going to make your half square triangles. You're going to sew your square, your background square, to a half square triangle, the second half square triangle to the complementary square. And you're going to make 4 for each star block. So go to your fabric, scraps, maybe even some old projects that you made, too many half square triangles, and you can pull this together. So whatever size this square is, that's what your half square triangle, that's what your half square triangle needs to be. Now mine are 3.5 inches, so that makes this corner unit right here 6.5 inches. When you pull the block together, it's a 12.5 inch block. If these are 2.5 inches, then you're going to have a smaller block. All right, that's all you need to know. And here is part of what I have come up with already. I'm going to pull this out. Haven't even quilted it yet. So I have some of this background fabric left over. So I've made a total of 5 stars. I'm putting a 1-inch sashing between them to make a table runner because I have a very big table. So these are going to finish at 1 inch once you join them. So the table runner will be approximately 64 inches, and that's without a border. Yes, I do have a big table because I have a large family. So I just thought I'd share this with you. How easy is it to make this? Have fun with this. Have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching.